Gas is the fuel of choice for households across Great Britain, meeting the heating and cooking needs of almost 85% of homes. Heating homes with gas is up to 4 times cheaper than heating with electricity, and homes without gas are twice as likely to be fuel poor. The good news is that funding is available to help homes connect to the gas network. The UK's 4 gas distribution networks have an important role to play in combating fuel poverty. Working together with our partner organisations, we identify affected households and provide suitable solutions, such as funded connections to our gas networks under the Fuel Poor Network Extension Scheme. This scheme is a commitment gas networks have to Ofgem and customers for the next 5 years. A new gas connection improves energy efficiency and is a sustainable long-term option, and one that can help alleviate fuel poverty. A new gas connection is fully compliant to a green future where gas is decarbonised and alternatives such as hydrogen and biomethane produced from waste are included in the energy mix. We partner with frontline organisations to source funding for new gas central heating systems and insulation measures, helping people out of fuel poverty now and in the future. But we can't work in isolation, and we need your help to support the thousands of people eligible for support but unaware of the funding available. A progressive, forward-thinking approach that supports the future we're building is needed. Working together, we can future-proof fuel-poor homes and offer savings of hundreds of pounds on their energy bills. Together, we can help support the most vulnerable people around the country and help beat fuel poverty. We'd like to talk with you and discuss the ways in which you can help your local community. Find out more by visiting energynetworks.org.